Hello and welcome to this 16th Algorithm Selection and Development lecture in this course Master in Artificial Intelligence. So in this lecture we will talk about how to train decision tree algorithm for getting the feature importance. So how do you think? How can you train decision tree algorithm for getting feature importance? Any thoughts? See, training a decision tree algorithm and extracting feature importance can be done through a lot of machine learning libraries like scikit-learn in Python. There are many, and we will, for the sake of illustration, we will talk to you through the scikit-learn in Python. Now, what are the various steps do you need to take? Let's take a look at the step-by-step guide on how to train a decision tree model and obtain feature importance score using decision trees, right? So what do you do before you take the first step of training the decision tree algorithm? The first step, obviously, before you take the first step is to load the program, load the decision tree classifier into your system so that you can start working on it. So what is the first step that you need to do to train decision tree algorithm for getting feature importance? Obviously, you need to load the data set. That is the first step. And for that, you see the command in the scikit library. So you load the sample data set with your own data set you can replace. And then you give the commands on x equal to data set as hashtag features and then data targets and target variables. So you define x and y and you load the sample data set. That is the first step. Then what you do is you train the decision tree model, right? And again, in this you have the simple commands that are given to you, like initialize decision tree classifier, classifier equal to decision tree classifier, and fit the model. So using the variables x and y. So that's how you train the decision tree model. Then what you do is you get feature importance score. It's as simple as that using the scikit library. You extract feature importance by using the command that you show here. And then you can print or visualize feature importances for I importance in enumerate feature importances and print feature I equal to importance. So that's how you get feature importance scores. Then you have optional to visualize feature importances. Now this will plot the commands that you see here will plot a bar chart showing the importance of each feature, and you can customize the visualization further according to your preferences, right? So use these commands. Then after obtaining the feature importances and visualizing them, you can interpret the results to understand which features are more important for the model. Higher value indicates, as you see illustratively in this chart, are more important feature, while lower values indicate less important feature. Remember that the feature importance of decision tree represent how much each feature contributes to reducing the impurity in the splits in the decision tree, or how much does it reduce the losses in accuracy. Therefore, they provide insights into which features are more informative for decision making within the decision tree, right? So what is next? So having looked at how to train a decision tree, we will look at how to train the random forest algorithm for getting the importance feature in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this 16th algorithm selection and development lecture in this course, Master in Artificial Intelligence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer a question, and also download the PDF file to take a look at those commands that I went through with you.